Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make donuts Natashaskitchen, full guide. Preheat, measure, and assemble your ingredients first so you can follow each step without rushing. Start by proofing yeast, warming milk to lukewarm temperature, and softening butter. Mix and knead until smooth, then let the dough rise until doubled. I will guide you through shaping, frying at the right oil temperature, and finishing with a shiny glaze. Keep your kitchen warm and organized for proofing success, and use a timer to track rises. Measure flour by spooning into the cup and leveling to avoid dense dough. After kneading, cover the bowl with a damp cloth, then place in a warm spot until doubled in size. Punch down gently and rest briefly before shaping. Proper proofing ensures airy, tender donuts with a consistent crumb throughout every batch. Handle the dough gently when cutting to preserve air pockets and avoid deflation. Heat oil to the correct range and maintain temperature between batches for even color and texture. Fry each donut until golden, usually about 1 to 2 minutes per side, then transfer to a rack to cool slightly. This method gives a crisp exterior and soft interior, and then we move on to glazing and decorating for that classic finish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.